Alright, David Harry here, and just a quick video to show you the YouTube app from the iOS store, as in the YouTube app for the iPad and the iPhone playing on a Mac Mini M1. Now this would be exactly the same for any of the new kind of MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro M1s. So what I'm going to do is just launch the YouTube app, which is awesome. Look at this. So there is the YouTube app. Now, as most people will know, most of these apps that you load up onto your M1 Mac, which are designed for iPad and such, they only come in a small box like this. But check this. This is the first one of my apps that I've found that scales. Boom, there we go. What it is, I've just done a video showing how to extract the apps from the iPad and the iPhone. In fact, there'll be a link to that video somewhere, maybe on the screen here and in the descriptions below. And I used the YouTube app as the example for the thing that I was going to extract, which is how I found out that it goes full screen and stuff. It's really cool. There is one small caveat to this though, and I'll show you that in a second. But let me just get to my page. Hold on. So there we go. Right, so there's my page there in the YouTube app. Sorry, there's my page in the YouTube app. And as you can see, it is exactly the same as you would expect it to be with inside the app on, say, the phone or the iPad. But right now, it is just gone like full screen on my Mac Mini. How cool is that? And I assume it'll do the exact same thing on a MacBook Air and a MacBook Pro with the M1 chips in, as in go full screen on them as well. So as we can see, this is going to be the same YouTube that you're used to watching on like your devices and the way it navigates and all that kind of stuff. Now the thing with this though, unfortunately for me, because I like to watch all my stuff at the highest resolution, it only goes to 1080p. So what I'll do, I'll get into this video here. So let me just try and get past this advert. Come on, let's skip that. Now, like I say, unfortunately, if you come up and have a look at the actual settings for resolution, go to quality, it'll only give us the 1080p 60 stream as the maximum. Now, I know that's probably not going to be much of an issue for a lot of people. It is for me, because I just like to have the highest possible screen resolution that I can get at here, or the highest possible video resolution, regardless of the screen resolution. And then also we can like go full screen with it and stuff. There we go. In fact, let me just get into the video a bit here, right there. Let me just get through to here. Hold on, a bit further in. Oh, this is my Call of Duty video. Yeah, let's have a little look at this a sec. Hold on. There we go. It all looks great as far as I'm concerned. Like I say, it's just a quick video to show people that, you can do this. And this could be important to some people, because I know some people are more used to using the app than to using YouTube inside a web browser and stuff like that. Anyways, like I say, quick video just to show people what this is all about. So if you want to know how to download your apps from your iPhone and your iPad, like I say, there'll be a link in the description below, take you to a video to show you how to do that. And if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel, and while you do that, you may want to click on the bell notification icon as well. Anyways, I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.